Happy Friday, everybody. It's the mobile home mama. I never know what I'm going to get into when I hop into one of these homes out on the lot. So today we're in a 16 by 66. It's looking like a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We've got some Patton Beach on the wall. We haven't seen that in a while. So this home is decked out in lots of nice rich brown colors. We've got a hutch over here with the uppers and the lowers. They've done some accent walls here. Dogwood Harvest is the name of that. Timberwolf on the trim, and we don't see this very often, dark tobacco on the floor. So we've got a galley kitchen, gas stove. What I like about the galley kitchens is the utility room is always right around the corner hiding, and I just like that. I like having the utility room away from the rest of the home. That way you have just a separate laundry area to be able to do your thing when you're doing your laundry. Coming into the master bedroom, 46 by 61 across the main bed wall. Going into the walk-in closet, water heater's hiding in there. They kept the master bath very simple with a walk-in or a tub shower combination. Vanity with an extended bank of drawers. 3-bulb light strip at the top. Heading down to the other end of the home. I like how they put this 30 by 61 window in the hallway. See guys how much that just brightens that hallway up. I'm sure you've seen in other videos that I've done that unless you add some kind of light source going down the hallway besides the electric light source, you're not going to get any natural light in there. So huge difference when you add that. That's a 30 by 61. Does tilt in for easy cleaning, and dual pane vinyl window, single hung. Bedroom. The second bath, in most cases, is always very simple in there. And then finally the last bedroom. All right, it's a Friday. I popped into this one, 16 by 66. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. That puts us at about 1,000 square feet. Have a great weekend, everybody. Thanks for watching.